Hello, this is Jacob with Environmental Works. I'm at 3337 Southeast 53rd Avenue in Portland to perform a video sewer line inspection to determine the serviceability of the sewer line going from the house to the city main. I've accessed the line today through a 3-inch ABS cleanout located in the front planter of the home, and I am currently in a horizontal lateral position now with some water flowing. So at this point, I'll set my foot marker to read 0 and begin my inspection. Approximately 23 feet, we have what appears to be a test tee before it is assumedly an upcoming material transition. Here at approximately 27 feet, the line transitions to 6-inch concrete pipe, and we can see some very large root intrusions. You can also see quite a bit of exposed aggregate and more root intrusion and soil intrusion at each joint. At approximately 40 feet, the line transitions to 6-inch terracotta pipe, and we can see more root intrusions. There we are over that offset again. You can see quite severe soil intrusions. At approximately 57 feet, the line makes connection to the city main. At this point, we're going to shut off all the water and then re-inspect the line on our way back. Located this main connection approximately 10 foot 6 inches deep in the middle of the street, marked out with some white paint. We'll go ahead and begin our pullback now. Immediately we're seeing some soil intrusion and roots at the main connection. Also seeing typical offsets, the terracotta lateral, quite long roots stretching back. Severe soil intrusions at essentially every joint so far in the terracotta, as well as long creeping roots. Now back in the concrete portion, we'll go ahead and get a locate right here. Located this transition approximately 7 foot 2 inches deep, marked out with some white paint at the curb line. see the major offset here, as well as some separated joints coming back. And still roots throughout. Go ahead and get a locate right here. Let me go ahead and pull another 5 feet back to the property line. Continuing to see very large soil intrusions at several joints, as well as roots continuing through all of the concrete portion of the line. Located this spot just before the property line, approximately 5 foot 4 inches deep. Marked out with some white paint in the sidewalk. Go ahead and continue our pullback now. Now back in the ABS portion of the line. There's our T, approximately 23 feet once again. So far, ABS appears to be in good condition. Now back in a small section of cast iron, just before the clean out. This concludes the video sewer line inspection for 3337 Southeast 53rd Avenue. The serviceability of the sewer line is unfortunately a fail due to root and soil intrusion, as well as some separated joints and offsets. We recommend a line repair and to send the video to the city for their review of their portion of the line.